What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. 3-box football break for you tonight. The first two bad break drawings for Friday night's breaks. We'll randomize the list 5 times. Here we go. First drawing number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is Joe. And second drawing, number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is Nate. Now we'll get the roster for tonight's break. We'll randomize 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll copy the results, paste them against a list of teams in alphabetical order. Sorry about that. Alright, we'll start off with the Topps Platinum. And here we go. Good luck, everybody. Patrick Peterson, Clay Matthews, Tim Jennings, Frank Gore, Vic Beasley. Jeremy Hill, Greg Olson, Sammy Coates, Rookie Refractor, Julius Thomas, Melvin Gordon. Odell Beckham Jr., Teddy Bridgewater, Mike Evans, Von Miller, David Johnson. Le'Veon Bell, Latavius Murray, Vernon Davis. Rookie autograph for the Giants, Landon Collins, 44 out of 150. Giants going to Jonathan R. and Jalen Strong. DeAndre Levy, Donovan Sue, Mario Williams, TJ Yeldon, rookie purple parallel, 67 out of 75. Going to Larmac Tabor, Rashad Green. Levante David, Jared Allen, J.E., rookie refractor, Big Ben, and J.J. Matt Ryan, Phillip Rivers, Alshon Jeffrey, Julio Jones, Bryce Petty. Eddie Lacy, Lamar Miller, Zach Ertz. Rookie autograph for the Browns, Danny Shelton. Browns going to Jeremy and Mike Davis. Terrell Suggs, Chandler Jones, DeMarco Murray, Kelvin Benjamin, Cameron Artis-Payne. LaShawn McCoy, Jordan Matthews, Bryce Petty, rookie refractor, Julian Edelman, Chris Conley. Des Bryant, Matthew Stafford, Russell Wilson, Mario Williams, Kenny Bell. Antonio Brown, Colin Kaepernick, Mike Evans, rookie die cut camouflage, Matt Ryan, Jamison Crowder. Jared Allen, Devin Smith, rookie autograph. Square the old one touch. For the Jays, TJ Yeldon, rookie auto, a nice looking 4-color patch, a blue parallel, super short print, 20 out of 25. Congratulations, Larnach Tabor. Very nice. Drew Brees, Emmanuel Sanders, Brandon Schreff, rookie refractor, Lavonte David, Kevin White. Travis Kelce, Richard Sherman, Luke Kuechly, Rob Gronkowski, Amir Abdullah. Tony Romo, Sam Bradford, Jimmy Graham, Tom Brady, die cut, no number on that one, and Brett Hundley. Julian Edelman, Kelvin Benjamin, Clive Wolford, rookie refractor, Jason Pierre-Paul, Elvin Dupree. Julio Jones, Big Ben, Aaron Rodgers, C.J. Anderson, Brandon Schreff. C.J. Anderson, Jason Pierre-Paul, Von Miller, Clive Wolford, rookie blue refractor, and Sammy Coates. Julius Thomas, Rob Gronkowski, Frank Gore, Aaron Rodgers, Clive Wolford. And now we'll go to the Inception. Julius Thomas, Ryan Matthews, 61 out of 75, going to Henry. Jordan Cameron, 12 out of 99, going to Jeremy. Tom Brady, 125 out of 125, going to Norman. On-card rookie auto for the Raiders, Clive Wolford. Raiders going to Martin. Rookie auto jumbo 3-color patch, green parallel for the Falcons, Tevin Coleman, 48 out of 125. Going to Austin. And a rookie patch for the Ravens, Brashad Perriman, 61 out of 140. And I'm going to Barry. And then we'll finish up with the 2014 Museum. All right, to D'Anthony Thomas, Brett Favre, David Fales, Demarius Thomas. Autograph dual patch for the Bears, Alshon Jeffrey, super short print, 4 out of 25. Now they're one for you, Larnach Tabor. Congratulations. Joe Namath, Eddie Lacy, Austin Seferian-Jenkins, Matt Ryan. For the Niners, Roger Craig on card auto. Super short print, 12 out of 75. Another one for you, Larmac Tabor. Congratulations. Eli Manning, blue parallel. 29 out of 99. Going to Jonathan. Matthew Stafford. Eric Dickerson. Emmett Smith, Canvas Collection. Rookie quad patch. It'll go to the top left, the Bills. We have Sammy Watkins, Mike Evans, Brandon Cooks, Kelvin Benjamin. 3 out of 50. Bills going to Barry. Tony Romo, J.J. Watt, Zach Mettenberger, Matt Forte. And we'll finish up with a rookie jumbo patch for the Browns. Terrence West, 8 out of 115. Browns going to Jeremy. And that will do it for tonight's break. We're back at it tomorrow with a case break of the new Unparalleled Football. Should be a fun one. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.